Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the reset and ensuring prerequisites are ready. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi and plug into power. Backups fail on low battery. Next, sign into your Apple ID so you can access iCloud backups and check backup timestamps. If you have an iTunes/Finder backup, prepare the computer with the latest Mac OS or iTunes. Once done, choose whether to restore from iCloud or a computer. This decision directs the next steps and avoids overwriting recoverable data. You now perform the actual restore. If using iCloud, sign in and tap Restore from iCloud Backup, then pick the most recent backup and start. The phone will download settings first, then media and apps. If using a computer, connect and choose the proper backup in Finder or iTunes and click Restore Backup. Authenticate if asked. Make sure the connection remains stable because interrupted transfers risk corruption. Once the core data is applied, apps will queue to re-download, and photos may sync afterward. You finish by verifying everything. Spot check contacts, photos, messages, and important apps to confirm data integrity. If something's missing, make sure you use the correct Apple ID and check iCloud storage or an alternate computer backup. If a restore failed or is stuck, update iOS, restart the device, and retry the restore on stable Wi-Fi. Sometimes toggling backup in iCloud settings helps. When all else fails, contact Apple support promptly. They can check server-side logs and offer advanced recovery options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.